Good morning, class. Today, you are in the 9th grade environmental science class. My name is Mr. Collins. And today, the subject that we will be discussing is the environmental issue of renewable resources. Before we move forward, can anybody tell me what a renewable resource is?
A rooster will lay an egg right on top of a very, very high hill. Which way we can get is the
Absolutely. Can somebody elaborate?
Let's stay on topic about trees.
Trees.
We can replant them.
Trees are not a renewable energy source. However, they are renewable in the sense that you can replant them and you can they produce oxygen. So today's assignment, if you all will read along with me, we're going to move into the exercise.
So let's think a little bit harder.
A specialized group of interested parties working for the National Science Fund. The U.S. Department of Energy has recently given your team the responsibility of guiding the nation's future energy resources. The Department of Energy has given the team $5 million to support the initiative. As a team, you will review 2 proposals for clean and renewable energy resources and decide which ones will receive the $5 million grant. Now, you all have been given slips, and these are the characters that you play on your team. Please take a minute to go ahead and read the character on the slip.
Okay? And we know the cork is $1 less than the bottom. Okay? How much do you think the cork is?
Until the arrow hits
30 seconds again?
Okay. And
You have
I'm
10
going to
seconds.
estimate to the closest tick mark, so that's going to be 9 1/4.
In 5,
Alright, and write that down on your paper. This is my circle is 9.
1, Chris?
5.
5,
Find the
I
diameter.
already figured it out.
Lay it down.
2,
Okay, so
5 cents.
With the diameter along the.
Now, what I want
How
you
many
to do
say?
is
Okay, but
come
then how much
together
are
as
they
a
going to be
group
together?
and discuss.
Together they are $1.05.
Read the proposals over as a group
So if
and
the
discuss
cork
which
is
ones,
5 cents,
based on the characters that you've been given, which ones you would side with and which one you want to give the $5 million
yes,
grant.
how much they are
You guys are
together?
welcome.
$1.05. So then how
So
much is the cork?
9.25 divided by 3.
No, it's
What
2.5
I've got here
cents.
is
Can
an
you tell me
estimate
what?
for the value of pi, which is not right on, but it's pretty close. 3.0833 repeating. Alright, so everybody got a piece of paper with a ruler, and I'm going to give you guys.
I'll give you all another minute to
sizes
review
of circles.
Questions?
the proposals.
Okay.
Because you tried so hard. I'm going
Make
to
sure
give
that I
you
got
bonus.
them
And I'm going to go
distributed
ahead
well.
and tell you the answer to Charlie's
Alright,
question the
now
other
just
day.
wait for me, please. Alright.
So, how
So,
many lockers
Does
do
anybody
you
have any
think
questions
stayed
about
open
what I
at the end?
demonstrated?
I know Zena knows
No?
the answer.
So I want you to do the exact same things
Do
with
a
your
favor.
circles. So
It's
start
31
with
lockers.
the
I'll
arrow
tell you why.
at the beginning of the ruler and
Yeah,
roll it
You
out.
spend
10
half the
seconds.
night the way I
Bounce
did,
on your
and
paper
work
to
out the
write
little
down the data
pattern.
that you
You're going to realize that actually all the
5,
perfect squares
4,
are going to
3,
stay open. So all that's left to do for you guys is
Now I'll give you all 2 minutes to discuss this as a team, discuss the proposals and which one, and try to come up with a consensus as a team.
You know, that's a bonus because you guys were trying so hard.
Let's
Alright,
we should do.
so
it'll make it
We do
this is
it
my
now.
secret thing from the fact that I am a math major.
Is this going to be everybody or?
So I am in
You're
this
the
to
whole
change
team.
everybody's perception.
Y'all are-
Okay, because I think math is in everybody. Okay, I think everybody's good at math. We can improve, absolutely.
I think we should do proposal 2 because I think 200,000 jobs is
So
better than
there's an
30,000
infinity
homes.
of reasons for what I know.
I think we should do proposal
Alright,
A.
is it everybody has?
It sounds like that'll
Brilliant.
give us the most information. And we also have a clear idea of exactly how many homes
So
we can
smart.
be
I'm so good. My mind is so bad. I feel so good about myself. Okay. It's about solving problems.
I initially liked number 1. It fits more with like who I am as a person, but those numbers just don't make sense to me. The 200,000 new jobs, and I'd like to see them in an urban setting, but that's still a lot of jobs.
So I
Maybe we
did
can
torture
bring people
him
back to the cities
for
of
a couple of years. When I got him, he came from a privileged family, so he had all the resources that he
Take an
needed,
initial
and
vote.
he still couldn't perform. He couldn't think. How do you solve problems? Trust himself.
Okay, so we're close.
What about the energy?
Why don't you like it?
Yesterday.
Well,
His name is Alex.
think that we're wasting our time on these things.
Okay.
are we wasting our time?
So, there's no research to show that
Guys,
cars
30 seconds.
can run on solar power. I mean, who's to say that that's gonna work? And both of these are well, thermal, I guess, is from the earth, but still,
I'll tell you what I was
we don't have any proved research that this stuff's
you
gonna
see these
work for a
circles,
long
do you
time.
notice
But
anything
for
about
things like
the
natural
visible
gas or
nature of these cardboard
gasoline,
circles?
I mean, we know that that's gonna
10
work.
seconds,
They're not
please
quite
try to wrap it
For a
up.
long
Thermal
time.
energy, I
You know,
think we know
maybe
more
fabricating them
about
better.
than
So you heard
them out like
it's
this,
all
like
about
engaging
problem
the
cars,
sound
and there are
industry.
thermal homes, so I think that's important.
They say they have a plan though.
cars.
Cadillac
It's
came
like
up with another way from that, it would circumference itself.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3,
They're a big
2,
corporation.
And I
1.
think that is
Can somebody tell me how this exercise felt going through it? Specifically as your character. Somebody share out?
Yeah, they changed my life. And
Matt, I
changed
thought it was
careers.
difficult because they didn't want to do anything.
This help you with your
My description was confusing, so I was confused as to how it should be acted. It said I must be swayed by my team's argument before it said I wasn't really sure about it. So I wasn't sure if I should like try to navigate it or not. So it's just like a hard one to see and not like try to navigate.
So, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you feel like environmentalists go through this frequently?
Yeah, and like I was a governor, so I was speaking for other people, and I didn't, like the oil investors that I represented or that like were lobbyists, so I like couldn't speak for myself, so I was like trying to think as for other people. Yeah, so I think that like especially politicians probably go for that because they can't necessarily use their own voice to make sure who they're representing.
Absolutely. Just to wrap this up, the goal for this lesson was to have you all really think about yourselves in terms of in respect to the environment and what position you need to play as we move on to the future.
That's it.
That's why you're